Sannula company. In Sannula company, we are working in safe medical technology with several inventions. It started back in the year 2008, where I was a junior nurse. I was in the training field in one of the hospitals where two of the expert nurses who were training me had something we call needle stick injury, which is defined by the nurse stick himself accidentally with a used needle, which will be putting himself under the risk of HIV or hepatitis B infection. Unfortunately, after 2 weeks, we discovered that they get a positive infection of hepatitis B infection, which ended their journey as nurses. So I thought to myself, they were two expert nurses. What will protect me as a junior nurse? I went back home and I started to think. Thankfully, I came from a family with engineers in it, so I have a degree of bachelor's degree in nursing, but a lifetime of loving engineering and skills. So I tried to compare and gather all the features of intravenous access, the canulas in the market. Uh, Imagine it like we put it all in a blender, we work it out, and we get back with the Sannula invention, which is an intravenous access that has all the features of the conventional cannulas and the safety ones with none of their disadvantage. The Sannula invention is an intravenous access that will be used for giving IV fluid and blood transfusion. This invention solves three main problems, or occupational hazard, if you want to call it. The first one, which is the needle stick injury, as we described it before. The second one, which is the undesirable blood backflow. It's a blood leakage going out of the intravenous access, contaminating the nurse, the patient, and the environment around them. The third problem, which is the vein rupture. The vein rupture described as an explosion of the vein wall due to the increase of the tension on it related to the manipulation and the weight of the intravenous access. That will take us to a cost-effective problem where we need to insert a new cannula, and a vein problem where we need to have a new site on the hand or the body of the patient. And after that, the patient will suffer from side effects like some kind of inflammation under the skin, which goes up to 3 weeks, and it's some kind of painful experience. No one wants it. We have had a positive feedback from several health professionals. Like, this is the intravenous access that we are looking for. It meets our needs, and we hope to get it fast in the market to solve our problems. The journey started in 2014, where we competed in a net kite competition. It's a European competition against 400 Jordanian entrepreneurs. After that, we get to France in 2 months of intensive business training as incubation. We managed to get 3D printed functional prototype and try it in Latimon. So we have proof of concept. Then we get back to Jordan. We have tried the 3D printed function prototype and some kind of animal trials. Again, the invention proved its concept and its functionality. Finally, we get incubated in HTU here in this good place you're having. At this moment, we are working on the product development and finalizing the final product, so we can apply for the European accreditation, which is the CE, and be ready for the European market. Sannula invention is one of the other 5 inventions. We will start with Sannula invention, make it work, then we will inject invention by invention to the market to hopefully on one day we create a safe environment for the healthcare providers, whether they are doctors or nurses.